Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Hauslane channel. Today, we're going to take a look at our UC-PS18 range hood and our UC-PS38 range hood. These are two of our most popular models, so we're going to take a look at the key differences and similarities between the two.
The UC-PS18 comes with one oil tray, two baffle filters, three venting adapters, aluminum foil tape, and a collection of washers and screws along with your instruction manual in your packaging. The UC-PS38 comes with one oil tray, one water tray, one panel, one venting adapter, aluminum foil tape, microfiber cloth, a collection of screws and washers that come with your instruction manual.
Now let's take a look at the similarities between our models. As you can see, both carry a contemporary design with a steel body, 6-speed setting, touchscreen so you can just easily wipe, and with the touchscreen you could turn on the GU10 LED light, which means you can go anywhere to any hardware store to buy color lights that match the mood of your kitchen. Now let's dive into the key differences, starting with the UC-PS18 model. The very first thing that we want to look at is it comes in two different sizes, 30 and 36 inches, and it comes in three different colors. Stainless steel, which we talked about in other videos, matte black, and matte white. Not in front of me, but we have those colors, I promise. This model, the UC-PS18, is perfect for upgrades. Now what does that mean? It means it saves you time, and more importantly, money. It's simple for installation as well, because you're going to have three adapters included. Not one, not two, but three 6-inch adapters included for round, rectangular, or rear ducts. What you're also going to have is a feature, one of my favorites, the delay shut-off button. What that means is you can go about your business, have your dinner, hit that button, the delay shut-off button, and you're going to be able to enjoy your dinner while the range hood takes care of the rest. Delay shut-off button. Remember that. Last but not least, this model, the UC-PS18, comes with baffle filters, which you can just put in the dishwasher, and just like that, by the end of it, clean. And now, let's take a look at our premium model, the UC-PS38 range hood model. Now, the key difference here is this only comes in 30-inch and fits 6-inch round duct, also only coming in our stainless steel color. One key difference is it has a special design by Hauslane, the perimeter suction design. Because of the panel you see here, it creates a suction zone around the range hood that covers the entire cooking area. Cooking fumes within this zone will get on the front burner. Oftentimes, many range hoods cannot provide adequate suction to extract cooking fumes by the front burners because the suction points are in the back. As a result, cooking fumes generated by the front burner will escape into the kitchen, and we don't want that. Another key feature in the premium UC-PS38 range hood model is the auto steam cleaning function. This maintains the motor's efficiency. Now, let me tell you how it works. First, the water is going to be converted into steam and sprayed gently onto the grease that's on the fan wheel and interior housing to soften it up. And then it's going to be followed by a water cleansing process to get rid of that grease. This excess grease is going to be removed from the fan wheel. Now, this is very important because excess grease on the fan wheel and motor is going to reduce the range hood's ability to work efficiently. In other words, reduce the suction power. This is why it's important to clean your range hood regularly. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you can see the differences and similarities between the PS18 and the PS38 range hood model. We'll see you next time.